Hello everyone, my QCard topic is describe a competition you would like to take part in. The highlighted questions are what kind of competition it is, what would you do in this competition, why does this competition interest you. It is true that if there is no competition, there will be no progress. I have taken part in many competitions in my life. Here I am going to talk about a competition in which I would like to take part in. It is an interstate level cooking competition. Every year in the month of October, the Honorable Chief Minister of my state organizes a cooking competition at interstate level in the Mirror Palace of my hometown. Since my childhood, I have a passion to become a chef. Therefore, I have learnt many recipes from my grandmother. In this competition, I will represent her signature dish, which is Begum-e Bahar Paneer with Peshawari naan. This dish is special for me because she learned this dish from her granny, and as a legacy, she taught me this dish. My grandmother revealed me that she prepared this dish for the members of the family after her marriage in traditional ceremony of going to the kitchen for the first time. Thus, as a reward, my grandfather gave her bangles of his mother. The remarkable fact is that this dish is made up of homemade spices only, which provide a unique texture and aroma to it. I am interested in this competition because through this I will get a chance to promote the regional food of my hometown in different states, so that the people who have forgotten their cultural food and its historical significance can taste it and will start eating healthy food of their own region. Moreover, in this competition, winner will get a prize of up to 5 lakhs, and if with the blessings of my grandmother I will win this competition, then I will open a small restaurant after her name as a tribute. These are reasons due to which I want to take part in this competition.